When you go in for service at a nail salon and they happen to be really busy, these are the 3 ways that they will keep you waiting patiently without leaving the nail salon. Because at the end of the day, no salon owner wants to lose clientele. First, if you go and get your nails done and they are very busy, they're going to call you back. And at that moment right there, you're going to be like, ooh, it's my turn. I'm going to get my nails done. And they're going to send somebody and they're going to take off your polish. And the moment they take off your polish, they might just send you back and wait. Because to them, if they start something on your nails, it's going to be harder for you to leave. And if anything, they might rough up your nail and put a tip on and send you back while you wait. Because once the tip is on, it's harder for you to leave. That is one way to keep you waiting patiently and surprising you with a service that you're not about to get right away. Secondly, pedicure. If you go in for a pedicure and they happen to be really busy, they're going to call you back. They're going to put you on a very nice spa chair with hot water. At that moment, again, they got to make you think it is your turn. You're about to get your feet rubbed. And next thing you know, you are sitting in that hot water 20 to 30 minutes. That hot water went to lukewarm to cold, and your skin on your toe is all wrinkled up. And you don't know what to do because you can't leave. Last but not least, you ever been to a nail salon where everyone's busy, they have nobody working on you, but all of a sudden they call you and you wait, and a random nail tech shows up and do your service? Well, guess what? They just called their friends and family to come over from another salon to take care of you. And